Make one increases. Use the bar between two stitches to make an increase. There are three variations on a make one increase: a left leaning, a right leaning, and an open make one increase. Here are mirrored make one increases. A right leaning worked on the right edge, and a left leaning worked on the left edge. The right leaning twists that bar to the right. The left leaning twists that bar to the left. To work a make one right, you work to your increase location, and then you use your left hand needle tip to lift the bar between the two stitches on the needle from the back to the front, and then you knit into the front of that stitch, of that leg, like so. This twists that loop to the right. To work a make one left, you work to the spot of the increase, and you use your left hand needle tip to lift the bar between the stitches from the front to the back, and then you knit into the back loop. This twists that loop to the left. There's a third make one option called a make one open, which is essentially making a yarn over from the row below. So you work to your increase location, you use your left hand needle tip to lift the bar between two stitches from front to back, and then you knit into the front loop, creating a yarn over. So that is a quick overview of the make one increase, a make one right, a make one left, and a make one open.